Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FireEye Security for threat detection step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the FireEye Security console using your preferred web browser. Log in with your administrative credentials to gain full access to the system. Upon logging in, navigate to the main dashboard where you will see various security options. Locate the Settings tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Settings to open the Configuration menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the Threat Detection option. Ensure that the Threat Detection feature is highlighted. Next, click on the Activate button to enable the threat detection capabilities. You may need to configure specific settings according to your organization's requirements. Review the options available for customization, such as alert thresholds and notification settings. Adjust these parameters as needed to tailor the threat detection to your environment. After configuring the settings, ensure to save your changes before exiting. Next, return to the main dashboard to verify that the threat detection service is active. Monitor the system for any alerts or notifications indicating new threats. Regularly review the threat detection reports to stay updated on any potential security risks. Implement any recommended actions provided by FireEye to mitigate identified threats. Consider scheduling periodic reviews of your threat detection settings to ensure ongoing effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.